Renewal kit for Hinge handle. Hinge handle is useful for high torque operation. Renewal kits for the 3/8 and 1/2 inch square drive are assembly type for easy replacement. Push the plunger inside the hole of square drive. Then slide out the pin to remove the square drive. Also, remove a steel ball and spring from the body. For reassembling, set the spring, steel ball, and square drive to the body. Then, insert the pin that was set with spring and plunger. The replacement is complete if the plunger engages in the hole of square drive. Sure to become your favorite tools for a long time. Renewal kit for Hinge handle.